I'm very excited to show you guys this truly spectacular home in Waterfall Country Estate, Gate 2. This home offers everything. I don't think there's anything that they've missed and anything that this home doesn't offer. And I'm very excited to present this house to you today. Please come inside. So, beautiful entrance. This could be your formal lounge. You can play around with the space as you like, but this could be your TV lounge or your formal lounge. Lots of doors, lots of light. These doors stack open and you've got views of your garden and your swimming pool. The house is over 1,000 square meters and the stand is about 1,200 square meters. So this is truly a mansion. And you've got stack doors over here which we've opened up, and this takes you to your covered patio entertainment area, which again opens up completely to your garden. You've got a built-in braai, you've got a sink as well, and you'll notice that all the windows and doors are double glazed. So they've really thought of all the little details. So the floor that we are on, where you enter from your entrance, is the ground floor. You've still got an upstairs floor and you've got a basement level. So we are on the ground floor. So we've covered this part and we are now going to go through to your kitchen and your dining room. Okay, so you've got the fireplace over here, which works from both sides. So in your TV or your formal lounge, and also in your kitchen dining room area, which is a great feature. You've also got integrated speakers, integrated aircon, beautiful chandeliers, one over the eating area as well as one where your dining room table would go. So this would be where you'd put your dining room, which is nice, it's part of the kitchen. You can even have a lounge over there if you wanted to. The space is very big. And you've also got a door over here which takes you to the garden. This kitchen is absolutely stunning and amazing. It's spacious, it's got a lot of natural light. I mean, look at how beautiful these countertops are. And you'll see that they've used the same material throughout the house in different parts. Just to point out, you've got a Siemens gas stove and an extractor. You've got your integrated fridge and freezer, more cupboard space. And then what's quite nice about this house is you basically got two sculleries, or a scullery and the chef's kitchen. So lots of packing space. This was obviously where your pantry would be. Now you are in the scullery part. You've got your machines that are already here, washer, dryer and dishwasher. And then you've got the gas stove. So you do have a combination of both. If you prefer to use gas or electric, you've got both. And then you've just got more packing space over here. You can use that as your laundry, as your ironing. Okay, so we're going to finish off downstairs and then we are going to go upstairs to look at the bedrooms. And then we will do my favorite part, the basement, which is absolutely out of this world. So just to point out, you've got 3 garages with access into the house. You've got a lift which takes you to all of the floors, and then you've got 2 guest toilets over there. Please follow me upstairs, and while we're coming upstairs, I just want to mention that this is one of my favorite features of this house, and it is one of the most beautiful staircases I have seen. You've got the spiral staircase that comes all the way from your basement to your ground and obviously to your second floor. The most beautiful chandelier, skylight, glass. It is truly phenomenal. It's one of my favorite features of the house, and I'm sure many people would agree with me. We are going to be a little bit different, and we are going to start with the main bedroom. So we won't leave the best for last. We're going to show you the best first. While we're walking to the main bedroom, you've got your pajama lounge, and now one of my second favorite part of the house, the main bedroom. Please come inside. Really gone all out with the sizes of the bedrooms, which you are going to be noticing as we view all the bedrooms. They are massive. You can have your bed, you can have a lounge. They have gone all out in terms of space and quality. Look at the beautiful bulkhead ceilings. It's a feature on its own. You've got integrated speakers, integrated aircon as well. They've put the curtains in as well, which is good. You don't have to start measuring curtains when you move in. And you've also got the fireplace. Again, you've got access from both sides into the walk-in closet and into the bathroom. This bathroom is beautiful. You've got your toilet, your shower, double vanity, and this beautiful bath with stunning views of Waterfall. And look at the pretty chandelier. So we're now in the walk-in closet. You've got your built-in dressing table, lots and lots of cupboard space. You've also got your cupboards if you want to display your handbags or your shoes. So that's the main bedroom. So today we didn't make you wait. We wanted to show you first. And let's go do the rest of the bedrooms. We are going to go to the second bedroom upstairs. In total, you've got 6 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms inside the house and a guest suite on the outside of the house. Here's your elevator, so you come straight up and you're on your second floor. Okay, so this is your second bedroom, and if you had to walk in here, you would actually think that this is the main bedroom, because it is, again, like I said, they have not tried to save any space. They have really made the rooms very, very spacious. This bedroom has its own private balcony and again, beautiful views. So in actual fact, the only difference between this and the main bedroom is you don't have the walk-in cupboard, you've got the cupboards over there, and the bathroom is a bit different. But in terms of size, it's very much the same. So that was your second bedroom. We are now going to go and show you the third. We are now in the third bedroom, lots of cupboard space. Again, a full ensuite bathroom. And again, a very, very spacious bedroom with its own private balcony. You've also got central vac. You've got, again, integrated air conditioning, your bulkhead ceilings with all your different strip lighting and down lighting. Very spacious. Over here, you've got your linen closet. Okay, then this is your study. Again, nice and big. The whole family can work from here without interfering. Bulkhead ceilings, lots of different types of lighting, speakers, aircon. Where have you seen a study this size? That's normally the size of a main bedroom. Okay, and now we are in our fourth bedroom upstairs. I'm going to be opening these curtains to get some light in here. Again, huge. I mean, your bed would literally be about that, and you've got all this space. And then again, your full ensuite bathroom. Every bedroom in this house feels like the main. Okay, then your last but not least, last bedroom upstairs is your fifth bedroom, again with a full ensuite bathroom, cupboard space, very, very decent sized bedroom. You've got the control panels that obviously work your air conditioning. And now I'm going to put you guys in the elevator. We're going to be going down to the basement, and this is definitely the coolest feature in the house and one of the best basements that we have seen. See, so lift, first floor, ground floor, -1. You can fit 8 people in the elevator. If the whole family wants to go up or down, we've got you covered. I'm so excited to show you guys this. This is absolutely phenomenal. So just to mention, as you come out the elevator, you've got 2 guest toilets downstairs in your basement level. You can use the stairs, by the way. The stairs and the elevator can take you to all the floors. So 4 guest toilets in this house. I don't think that's quite a rare. Now we are in the gym. You've got a steam shower and lots of place to obviously put your gym equipment. There's no reason to not be fit and healthy if you choose to live in this house, because it is right in your basement. You can go and gym. No excuses, guys. See, so you get a lot of light from the skylight as well as this massive window that they've got by the stairs. That's why I really say the staircase is a beautiful feature, and it brings a lot of light. So it's not a basement as in a dark, dingy little hole. It's literally another level of the property. Okay, then you've got a storeroom, which we don't need to go in, just an additional storage. And then, oh gosh, welcome to paradise. Look at the cinema. It is soundproof. It's everything. It's better than stereo. You could literally sit here, put on your favorite movie or Netflix, get some popcorn and really just chill. It feels like you are in another world. Look at the beautiful little fairy lights. Looks like stars. So it's a 10-seater cinema room. You could obviously put a lot more people in here. You've got the material, everything is wow. Look at the blue strip lights that you've got. And you can obviously adjust this. You can put the down lights off, you can put the bulkheads off, and you can leave the star lights. Sorry, I was calling it fairy lights. It looks to me like little fairy lights. So that's what it looks like if you just leave the panels and the starlight on. So this area you could do another lounge, you could do a TV lounge if you didn't want to use the cinema and you just wanted like an everyday kind of place to watch TV. But there are many living areas downstairs, and then you have one of the best bars ever. Built-in fridges, you've got your soft close cupboards. This is really like an entertainer's dream. And you're on a floor and no one even knows this floor exists. Beautiful wallpaper, you just have to touch it. Even though it's smooth, it doesn't look like it's smooth. So again, you can have another living area here, like seating area if you wanted to. And this is every wine connoisseur's dream come true. So you have your wine cellar, lots of space for all your wines that you collect. You've also got air conditioning in here to keep it the right temperature. And also just to mention that there is a pump for the basement, because we all know basements you need the pump so that the water doesn't come in and you don't have water issues downstairs. So they've really thought of every single detail. I want to know, what is your favorite part of this house? I think my favorite part is the cinema, the main bedroom and the staircase. It is just mind-blowing. Please comment and share your favorite part of this home. So just other things to take note of. The home has 6 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms on the second floor, which we've already seen. You've got a guest bedroom with an ensuite, which has a shower on the outside of the house, which is great for your guests. There is a door into the kitchen if they want to come into the kitchen, so they're covered with that. You've got 2 staff rooms with bathrooms, with their own private bathrooms. You've also got an outside bathroom in the house. So they've really thought of absolutely everything. So thanks so much for watching. Please give us a call so we can book you a private tour.